So the rain has subsided for right now. What I'm going to do is find me a flat shovel, because there's no way that I can get all this fine manure out of here and just work at that today. Pick all this stuff up, take these waters out, and this feeder down, and or no. No, because that's chained all the way around there. Okay, so I'll figure something out with that and just get them waters and stuff out of here and clean this a little bit better. All right, I'm gonna do a test here. Shut this door here so it'll help with my test. Got 2 packs of LED lights here. These are equivalent to a 100-watt bulb. LEDs, and these are equivalent to, I think, 60 watts. So we're going to start with those first and see what it looks like. Shoulder against the door here. Light right in the center of the camera. Okay, same spot. Definitely brighter. Now we'll do that last box. Okay, here we go. Rough surface bulb, LED. Wow. Holy crap, is that bright. Daggone. Huh. Okay. Wow. Let's go see what it looks like in that chicken pen. Wow. That's bright. So once again, I screwed up and bought the wrong kind of bulbs, but you know what? I don't think the Tractor Supply had any. Now that I think about it, I don't know. Let's go see what, because there's a couple that need replacing in here or cleaning, and I'm gonna see what a LED bulb will look like over in that chicken pen there. So yeah, let me get a ladder set up and see what we can come up with. Alright, so I'm gonna bring this ladder in here. I'm gonna set it up. I've never had it extended all the way. But there's a time and a place for stuff like this, and this is exactly why I bought this ladder. Was for stuff like this, because I don't feel safe on any other ladder than this one here. I love it. It's the best ladder. It's the best ladder that man has invented, in my mind. Let's see. Oh, it's got the glass doohickey around it. Oh well. This should still work, I hope. Oh yeah, I even got myself, I can do all kind of stuff on this ladder, and I can still feel safe. I guess even just taking and wiping the cage off just helps. But I'm still gonna put a brighter bulb in this because I can, and I need more light in here. That's just the long and the short of it. I need more light. And a rough surface bulb don't beat anything. Stinking bright. Okay, so I'm working at the still working on getting the guard off here. And I know now what the heck I'm supposed to be looking for. It's like a little collar or a little hole here. You stick there it is, right there. You stick this guy in here. Where the heck is it? Right there, it should be. You spin that guy out, and then you take, hang on, let me get this off here and I'll come back. So I got this apart, that little screw, you back that guy out, and then you do not want to lose this gasket. You guard that thing with your life, guys, and then you take the light bulb out, put the new one in, put this in first, make sure your dust cap is on, then you tighten the little guy up with your little screwdriver there, and you're good to go. And just like that, the new bulb is in place, and the old one is down there. Now let's see if it works. Moment of truth. Hey! It works. So now to go down the way, and I think there's another one down here. Yep, right there. That needs changed out. So I'll move my ladder down here. We'll do the same thing, and we'll go find a light bulb. Okie dokie. Sweet, they're all working. Yay. Now to go through and clean them, because they need cleaned. It's a fire hazard if you don't clean your light bulbs. And I don't feel like learning that the hard way while my mom and dad are on vacation. I mean, I've heard of it happening, but like I said, I don't want to experience it while mom and dad are on vacation. And there's a tree in here that needs replacing, so I'll probably put LEDs in them or something. I don't know. And it's real simple to do. What you want to do is place your ladder somewheres where it won't tip you over. The pin ain't the real suitable place to do this job because, you know, the cows rut the manure up and yeah. But, you know, if you want to keep from having a barn fire, you know, and all that stuff, you got to get rid of the cobwebs. That's just the long and short of it is, you know, we try to prevent the barn fires, because I've heard enough stories. I really have, and I ain't making that up. And another load of corn goes out. So we still don't have that issue figured out, the starting issue. We think it's because we're letting it sit half a tank of fuel in it or whatnot, and starting it that way, but I'm gonna take these here LED lights that I got left over and stick them down the way. There's 3 that are burnt out, and I want to see what the heck they look like. Okay, moment of truth. Wow. They put the light out. Not as bright as them rough surface bulbs, but they're alright. Alright, so I got this about 98% cleaned out. Got just a wee bit under behind this roost here, and I'm not too sure about, you know, taking these screws out here. The one there, I can't believe that's all that's holding that in. Just the one screw, and then I don't know why we had to put 2 screws in over here, but we did put 2 screws in there. Almost have, because you can't quite get in there good enough to get it out, all the manure, but I'm getting there. Once again, I'm using that head of mine. Take the thing in. It's just a scoop or so, and out she comes. There. That ain't the... It ain't like so clean you can eat off of it, but it's definitely better. Now, if I were to get this super stinking clean, I'd have to take a pressure washer to this, and there'd be nowhere for the water to run. But it's clean enough now. So, on the next thing. So, yep, somebody has done made God mad. Yeah, I don't know who made God mad, but it hasn't quit raining since about 12 o'clock, and it just now started raining again. Yeah, I think we're well over our predicted amount of rainfall for this year. Of course, what am I saying? It happens every spring. Now, I was thinking here, this building's the one that really needs LEDs in a bad way because of all the dust and everything. Plus, it would be 10 times brighter in here with the LEDs, but you know, this is how Grandpa had it without halogens, but you know, I don't know, maybe it would look different with the yeah, with the LEDs in here.